Guys, welcome.
Guys,
What's up? It's that beauty girl Sky here, back for another video 3 years later. I know everyone loves my tutorials and DIYs because my 6th grade survival kit had a huge, it was a hit. It was big. So we're going to be coming back with 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th grade makeup tutorials, what we looked like. So yeah, just getting right into this video here. Guys, this is my crusty friend Taylor. You guys can tell I was like really cute in 6th grade. I obviously got all the guys.
Okay.
I forgot. I do this first. So I put on my baby lips. This is the, here, let me just, you just put it on, you know. Ew. Me and my tiny lips.
Is this why I hated you in 6th grade?
Yeah, I was crusty. Then I took this chapstick here.
That's
lip gloss? Lip gloss.
Ooh.
I had a lot of noises to make in this video.
It looks like an alien.
Okay, so obviously that looks really good.
I didn't do makeup, but I wore sweatpants and my hair up like this every day. This was my look.
Did this look here. My hair is down. It was like really cute, so
Yeah, I would wear it with my hair down a lot too.
And I just go into school like
Should
this.
I see what that looks like?
I know it looks really cute. If you guys want to try, go for it because
I'm flat top, so like.
So guys, I couldn't find my shirt, so I found this one that I had in 5th grade. It was really cute. So yeah, this is our 6th grade tutorial. If you really want to try it, I think you should. So guys, the next grade is obviously 7th grade. For this grade, all I wore was mascara and chapstick. So first I started with this exact chapstick. I actually have no idea what chapstick I used. Probably didn't put on chapstick, so I was crusty. But so I just put on chapstick, you know.
I did like eyeshadow and mascara and lipstick, and I would just use like this. And it's just the shade of my eye.
Yeah.
It's really noticeable.
That's what you do for a tutorial.
Color poppin'. I look like a bug without my glasses. It's fine.
Next, I took mascara. It's probably like $2 mascara from some place. And I just I didn't even put shit on. It just went like this.
Oh, same.
That's all I put on. I put on this.
I also put on like this pink color. This is like the exact
Why is
color
that broken?
I use. Oops.
Ew!
Yeah, I wore this like exact pink color, and then I put like. It was honestly one exactly like this with like little sparkles in it.
So yeah, guys, you can really tell that I'm wearing mascara.
Yeah.
Except like when I did it, I'm pretty sure I got mascara on my eyelids, and then I didn't take it off.
You did that this year too.
That's fun. Okay, but it was more noticeable back then.
Roll clips for 8th grade, my cringiest year. What we did is,
I made my lips numb. Okay, so I just used like this brown color lid part.
God, this is me cringy.
Yeah, it already has been cringy, okay? And then I used this pink color, which I'm pretty sure this is blush, honestly.
You did this last year?
In 8th grade. Last year we were freshmen.
Oh.
But I tried more than I am right now. I'm sorry I'm not perfect. Okay. Like that.
It's probably worse than this now.
Yeah. And then I took a sparkly color and I put it over the brown. So that's what I did.
So, what I did was I took Better Than Sex mascara. Only this, keep in mind, like my eyebrows, nothing. And I just packed that shit on. Like I was going to a strip club or something. Honestly, it was pretty terrible. Guys, this is my mascara. I think I'm gonna start doing this again. It's like really cute. I really love that like goth look.
Hey, what's up? I'm Raven, your acid bath princess of the darkness.
Makes your eyes pop.
Like, look at this. It's so cute. And just like for the extra goth look, when I put it on my bottom lash, I would leave the mascara under it so it looked even darker because I just really love to look goth.
Wow.
You know, it's just really cute. So yeah, I did. Like halfway through the year, I started wearing like actual makeup, so I'm just gonna take this foundation. I used Mary Kay foundation. Quit. And I didn't have a beauty blender because I wasn't a makeup or a beauty guru.
Sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters.
So I'm gonna cringe doing this while everyone else does too. So I would just put it all over my face like this, ignore the mountain on my face. Taylor's back there on her phone, you know. Now, this is making me cringe so hard. I don't want to do this right now.
You can see me recording.
Okay, so,
I hate myself.
oh my god. I'll just rub this all over my face like this.
Oh, where'd I go?
Come back in my video. That didn't even work out well.
Why do I look like a
Stop doing loud things.
Try me.
Can I actually try something?
No. Oh, probably wore it like this, like barely blended.
I feel
And
really
then-
unwelcomed in this video.
Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
That's because you're not a true
fan of skywalks.
Yeah, I'm not
Fan of skywalks. I'm a fan
of that beauty girl Sky.
fake friend. So next I would take shade contour, but I'm going to be using good contour. And I would just put it all over my face.
That shows you how well we were.
So after I would do that, I'm pretty sure I had like a really harsh line though.
Oh, I was wondering what that thing on your face was.
Was it? You. Oh my god. So yeah, this looks really good. It would always be like really bad and I would never blend it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this really blinding inner corner highlight and we're gonna use it as highlight.
That's
because-
a highlight.
Inner corner highlight. So I always put it on like that, you know, but I would never blend it, so there'd just be like harsh lines on my face.
Is that what you would use?
No, I just, never mind. You
Wow.
Anyways, so I would do that. I would not blend it, it would just be a harsh line. And then I would take a gold color, only a gold color, nothing else. It looked exactly like this one. I'm pretty sure I still have it. And I would just put it all over my lid. Like that. Never used another color because I didn't know how. And that's all I would do. And everyone would say how good I was at makeup. I wasn't good at all. Nope.
Nope.
Back to 9th grade edition last year.
Oh.
Hey, you can't go on your phone during the video.
I'm not.
Quit.
now, rockin' with Will I Am.
Try me.
I'll take this crusty foundation, this crusty primer and put it on my face.
So, I do the same thing.
So I just got this new stuff. It's like Milani, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Conceal and Perfect. It's actually like really nice. It's from Walmart. So yeah. So I just do like 2 pumps like that much on my hand
I'm using the same thing because I don't have any foundation.
with her.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be taking it and I just like dab it on my face like that.
I use this really crusty foundation brush, and then once I get it like on, then I use a beauty blender because I'm just like really bad at blending it.
Remember my foundation would
Yeah,
always
it would
wipe
always
off?
come off, and you were always so confused. It's probably-
That's actually really nice.
So the next step in my routine is I would take this concealer.
Is that mine?
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
He needs some milk.
I do mine. I just do like it kind of up here and down because I saw that James Charles do that in one of his videos one time.
Sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters.
The next step I would do is I would take this Too Faced powder with my little fluffy brush, and I just put it all over my face. I didn't bake because I tried to do that once at formal, and I had a very surprise.
I watched a James Charles video on this too.
Sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters.
And then I put my contour on, and then I do more powder. This isn't what I let sit because I'm not trying to look like Skylon formal.
In the beginning, I would only do blush. I wouldn't even do contour. So I didn't use good stuff either. Like I had shitty stuff. But I'm using good makeup now. So I would probably do like barely any because I probably looked pasty.
So I use my contour, and I just use the middle thing. And I'm really, really bad at contour. Like it looks so bad. So that's,
The next thing I would do is I would take.
We don't care about what I
Would
do.
you say that? Like you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like you know I'm not happy.
I would take eyeshadow and fill in my eyebrows. I'm just gonna take this random brown color from this palette and just fill in my eyebrows. It's probably not gonna match, but.
I really have like no words.
So guys, this is my eyebrows. They definitely didn't look this orange, but we're just gonna go with it because this is the only brown I had.
Wow.
Wait.
Oh, you look like you got punched.
I could have.
My eyeshadow, I did the exact same color as 8th grade because I'm really original. And then I used this is the exact brush I used. I don't really know how I used it because it's the stiffest brush I've ever touched. So I just, oh my god, you look like a god.
Hey, what's up? I'm Raven, your acid bath princess of the darkness.
So I took this color, the same one as before, and me putting on my mascara. So I just do it looked better than normal. I do probably
I'm not even gonna do my mascara. I kind of just want to give up.
that much. Last step, oh shoot, okay.
Skylar's a real YouTuber. She actually finishes.
Yeah. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, so I took this exact palette that I accidentally broke a lot. This color that I broke, and this color, and I mix them together and just use it for a highlight. That I would take this purple color and I would put it as my inner corner highlight, and then I would put it above my eyebrow as eyebrow highlight. This is my finished look, guys.
Same.
Wow.
Well, thanks guys for watching this really good video of all my really cute looks. We've been filming this video for an hour. Oh geez, look at my face, it's so red.
If you like to talk to tomatoes.
Thanks guys for watching. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. I'm gonna link my other channel below, my singing channel. Go subscribe to that.
Link me.
Love my fans.
Link me.
See ya.